Today I'm going to show you how you can enable custom thumbnails on your YouTube account. So first of all, what we need to do once you are on your homepage here, you need to head over to your profile in the top right hand corner. You then need to head over down to the settings tab right there. Click on the settings option, and now you will need to select channel status and features, which is right there around the middle of the page. Once we select this, you will be brought over to this page. Once we are on here, you need to make sure the feature eligibility is highlighted, and then you need to come down to intermediate features. Once you see intermediate features, click on the drop down menu, and now you will need to select verify phone number, which will then open up this new tab. And then once we are on this page right here, all you simply to do is select your country, select whether you want a text or phone call, and then enter in your phone number. Once you have entered in your phone number, you will then be able to click get code to verify your account, and that's how easy it is to enable custom thumbnails.